Indeed, she has all grown up, and what a sight she has become. O, diba? Gwapa, itong David ay. Mga muni ba lang ang sino? May bi ko yan. Kay Ivan, wala lang muni yan naranasan. Mga muni. Alright, so before we start, let us all welcome again our debutant for tonight, Miss Lorraine Lorque.